13 genius life hacks that work like magic. The internet is a vast source of life hacks that range from practical to unusual, all aimed at making our lives easier or solving unexpected problems. While some of these ideas may seem strange initially, they have gained recognition for their effectiveness. This list brings together 13 of these hacks that work like magic. By embracing the following out-of-the-box approaches, you too can discover innovative ways to make your day-to-day existence a little bit easier. Number 1. Keep pizza hot. If you prefer to pick up pizza instead of having it delivered, here's a nifty little trick. The next time you place the box next to you on the passenger seat, turn on the seat warmer to a medium or high setting. The gentle warmth generated by the seat warmer will help maintain the temperature of your pizza. It's a convenient way to ensure your meal arrives home just as piping hot as when it left the oven. Number 2. Peel boiled eggs effortlessly. The frustration of peeling hard-boiled eggs, only to end up with a mangled mess, is a kitchen tale as old as time. To make your life easier, enlist the help of baking soda for a peeling experience that's as smooth as can be. Adding a teaspoon to boiling water changes the pH level, making the egg whites less likely to stick to the membrane. The result? Eggs that practically peel themselves, leaving you with smooth and intact whites. Number 3. Open jars easily. Say goodbye to the irritation of wrestling with stubborn jar lids. The solution might just be hiding in your junk drawer. Those seemingly insignificant broccoli rubber bands you've been collecting can come in really handy. Wrap one around the lid of a tough-to-open jar, and bam! You've got yourself an instant grip enhancer. The elasticity of the rubber band adds traction, turning your feeble attempts into a Herculean jar opening effort. It's a low-tech, high-impact solution that showcases the beauty of repurposing everyday items. Number 4. Chop onions without tears. Onions are notorious tearjerkers, turning what should be a simple cooking task into a watery-eyed ordeal. To avoid tearing up, pop the onion in the freezer for around 10 to 15 minutes prior to slicing and dicing. The cold temperature acts as a barrier, preventing the tear-causing enzyme from being released into the air. Give it a try and thank me later. Number 5. Trick your brain to eat less. Adopting a healthier approach to eating doesn't have to be overwhelming or involve drastic changes. Sometimes, the small, clever tricks make the biggest impact. By serving your meals on a smaller plate, you're essentially playing a Jedi mind trick on yourself. Your brain, used to associating a full plate with a satisfying meal, interprets the smaller portion as more substantial than it really is. This simple yet effective strategy encourages mindful eating, helping you savor each bite, and more importantly, prevents overindulging. Number 6. Make clothes smell fresher and feel softer. Laundry day just got a whole lot more interesting with this unexpected trick. Adding a cup of plain white vinegar to your washing machine alongside your regular detergent isn't just a quirky choice, it's a game changer for your clothes. The vinegar serves a dual purpose, working as a natural fabric softener while banishing stubborn odors. As your washing machine whirls away, the vinegar permeates the fibers, leaving your clothes smelling fresh and luxuriously soft. Number 7. Soften butter faster. Picture this. You're ready to whip up a batch of your favorite cookies, but your butter is as hard as a rock. Before frustration sets in, reach for an unexpected ally in your kitchen arsenal: the cheese grater. Grating hard butter might seem odd, but it's a surprisingly effective way to expedite the softening process. The increased surface area exposed by grating allows the butter to reach room temperature faster than waiting for a solid block to melt. It's a nifty little trick that saves you precious baking time and ensures your cookies turn out just as delicious as you imagined. Number 8. Polish chrome fixtures. If you have chrome fixtures in your home, like the faucets in the bathroom or handles on a cabinet, you might be familiar with the struggle of maintaining their sparkling appearance. But all you really need is a small amount of toothpaste and a clean cloth. Give your fixtures a good scrub, making sure to cover all the areas. Then rinse away any residue. Your chrome fixtures will glisten with a pristine, like-new shine. Number 9. Cool down instantly. When the summer sun turns up the heat, and you find yourself in need of a quick cool down, head to the nearest sink and give your wrists a splash of cold water, or grab an ice cube and rub it on your pulse points. It's not just a refreshing sensation, it's also an effective trick to rapidly cool down your entire body. Your wrists and pulse points are like natural thermostats, and the cold water or ice kickstarts a cooling effect that radiates throughout your body. Number 10. Soothe insect bites. Surprisingly, Preparation H, the over-the-counter ointment designed for hemorrhoid relief, can work wonders on bug bites. The active ingredients in this ointment provide a cooling effect that soothes itching and reduces inflammation. Applying a small amount to bug bites instantly alleviates the urge to scratch, allowing you to enjoy the great outdoors without constantly battling the aftermath of insect encounters. Number 11. Revive fabric lampshades. Dust and pet hair have a tendency to cling to fabric lampshades, turning your lighting fixtures into unsightly dust collectors. Rather than wrestling with the dilemma of how to clean them, grab a lint roller. This ordinary tool, designed for removing lint and pet hair from clothing, works wonders on fabric lampshades. Roll it over the shade and watch as it effortlessly picks up and removes debris. Number 12. Clean up red wine spills. A glass of red wine can turn a cozy evening into a catastrophe when spilled on the carpet. Before you start panicking, reach for a good old pantry staple, salt. Act quickly, blot up as much liquid as you possibly can, then cover the wet stain with salt and let it dry. Salt acts as a natural absorbent, drawing the wine away from the fibers and preventing it from setting. Once everything is dry, simply fire up the vacuum, suck up the salt, and prepare to be wowed by the awesome stain removal results. It's seriously impressive. Number 13. Restore cloudy headlights. Cloudy headlights on your car not only detract from its appearance, but can also compromise safety on the road. Before you invest in expensive headlight restoration kits, consider a quirky alternative, the Humble Magic Eraser. Originally designed to tackle scuff marks, this fine abrasive sponge gently buffs away the haze on the plastic, revealing clearer and brighter headlights. It's a cost-effective solution that adds a touch of magic to your DIY car maintenance routine. And that's it for today's list. From unexpected uses for household items to ingenious problem solving, these hacks prove that sometimes the most unconventional solutions are the most practical. So the next time you face a peculiar problem, don't be afraid to think outside the box. There might be a quirky life hack waiting to save the day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be informative, please consider liking it and sharing it with your friends, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay updated with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.